Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact security key and matching the pattern to the lug. With the car parked level and chalked, make sure the parking brake is set so the wheel won't spin. Once ready, fit the key firmly, press straight and apply steady force to turn left, counterclockwise, to break the lug's initial resistance. Use a cross wrench or the supplied key. Avoid sudden jerks. If it won't move, tap the key inward with a rubber mallet to seat it, then try again. Once the key is seated, spray penetrating oil around the lug and wait 5–10 minutes to reduce corrosion. You then add leverage. Use a long breaker bar, cheater pipe, or a 1/2 impact wrench. Turn left steadily to avoid rounding. If the key slips, tighten the nut slightly first, then back off. That can reseat the pattern. You can also give the key a few light hammer taps to lock it into place. Make sure to keep your stance balanced and apply slow, consistent pressure to prevent injury. When the lock finally turns, remove the security lug and set the key aside so you don't lose it. Thread the remaining lug nuts by hand first, then snug them in a star pattern to seat the wheel. Once lowered, torque each nut to the manufacturer's spec. Use a calibrated torque wrench for accuracy. If the lock or stud is stripped, try a dedicated extractor socket or locking lug removal tool. If that fails, stop and consult a tire shop rather than damaging studs further. One tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.